part 4 of the 1968 El Camino rebuild. And part 4, the goal is to get the car running and have everything, the engine bay clean, painted, everything, and try to get it started. Right now, I'm 2 weeks behind on this build because due to a hurricane, homecoming, and midterms, I'm 2 weeks behind, so I gotta catch up. And because of that, I got a board right here with a lot of stuff I gotta do. The goal is to get the car running. I have to do everything on this list, plus a little more that I didn't add. Before I start this video, do me a favor and like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out this Reincarnator apparel that I came out with. It's the Reincarnator R with a rose. Has my name on the sleeve and some Chinese symbols. It means ambition, courage, and wisdom. All profit made from the apparel will go towards the build. Before I can paint this whole area black, I gotta sand it down and make sure everything's smooth. But I started sanding down this area right here. Make sure everything nice and smooth. I prepped this one side right here for paint. Now I just gotta prep all this for paint. My phone had cut off when I was recording me spray painting this, but these came out good. These already got top coat and everything. The 2 sides turned out good, but the back is different colors. So I'm gonna get a separate paint and actually like paintbrush all the whole back so it could be one solid black color. But now I'm gonna move to the engine. I'm gonna unwrap all this, do the engine, and then do the frame. Then after that, I'm gonna do all the touch-ups afterwards, and I get done with all that. Finish cleaning the engine, sand it down, clean it up, and get it painted. But first, I gotta take off these 2. After all that, I still ain't get this out. This side out. This is probably one of the reasons why the car wasn't running or they stopped, because this is not supposed to move like this. I was gonna reuse this and get a new exhaust, but these were so rusted that they came off. They go right here, but they were so rusted they just broke off, and I tried to take these loose. So I gotta get another one, those 2, and the other one over there. But put all this back there away from it. Taken apart, cleaned up. All this, it was oil all over it. I got it cleaned up good enough. I ain't do it the best way because I ain't got all the tools I need, but it's ready for I cleaned up this side of the frame, cleaned it up, painted it, see how it look. And now I'm gonna do this side. Now both sides of the frame, all the frame, matte black. This part here, matte black, matte black. Now I gotta finish. I gotta brush paint this part. I'm about to take a little road trip because I can't order parts to the college, so I'm about to take from here is 2.5 hours to summer racing, so I get the fender, a timing chain, and a battery tray, and then another hour and a half to a relative house to get the exhaust, the headers, and then back here which is another hour and a half, so like a 5-hour road trip to get some parts because I can't see. I'm thinking about getting these for the El Camino. These, I like these too, but these are expensive. I mean, these less expensive. So I'm gonna get these right here. I got a new fender for this side. I got a timing chain in here. A battery tray is rusted out. The timing chain cover, a filter, another filter. And here I got some brackets for the exhaust. Spark plugs, new spark plug wires, fuel pump, valve cover gaskets, new headers in this box, new battery, and new exhaust system. There's more parts, but it's just the ones that got here. This right here is one of my problem areas because it's not smooth. It's all rusted out. Everything right here rusted out. All that's rusted. All this rusted. It's not smooth. I gotta get it smoothed out so I can match this. It's like every time I do a time lapse with painting something, it cut off. But this is the first coat. I gotta go over it a few times to get it right. But it look good so far. This all I got done. I wasn't able to do nothing on this side, but next video, all this stuff should be done. All this stuff gonna be done next video, plus more. That's the end of part 4 for the 1968 El Camino rebuild. I ain't get that much done in this video, but next video I'll get most of it done. I'll get all of it done and do more. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my apparel because all the profit from apparel will be going towards this build.